Snakes are among the most widely distributed reptiles on Earth. They inhabit tropical forests, dry deserts, wetlands, grasslands, and mountainous regions across Asia, Africa, Australia, and the Americas. Their ability to adapt to diverse climates and terrains has allowed them to survive for millions of years, shaping ecosystems and human culture alike. From ancient civilizations to modern science, snakes have been studied, respected, and sometimes feared. Their scales, movement, and biological structure have inspired medicine, mythology, and craftsmanship. Today, beyond their ecological role, snakes are part of regulated industries that focus on research, food systems, and material production under controlled conditions. This documentary explores how snakeskin, sourced through regulated channels, is transformed inside a modern industrial leather facility. The focus is on process, technology, and craftsmanship. The journey is presented for education, showing how natural materials are handled professionally within contemporary manufacturing environments. The process begins long before factory machinery starts moving. Raw skins arrive at the facility through documented supply chains. Each delivery is recorded, verified, and inspected upon arrival. Environmental conditions, such as temperature and humidity, are carefully maintained to preserve material quality from the first moment of intake. Once received, the skins are placed in controlled holding areas. Here, trained staff examine size, thickness, surface condition, and natural pattern alignment. This evaluation determines how each skin will be used, whether for jackets, bags, shoes, or smaller leather goods, requiring precise texture control. Sorting is a critical step. Skins are grouped by dimensions and structural characteristics. Consistency is essential in luxury production, and even small variations can affect the final design. This careful classification ensures efficient processing and reduces material waste throughout the production cycle. After sorting, the skins move into the cleaning stage. Industrial washing systems gently remove surface residues, using controlled water flow and neutral solutions. The goal is to clean without disturbing the natural scale structure. Operators monitor the process closely to maintain uniform results. Following cleaning, the skins undergo conditioning treatments. These treatments stabilize the material and prepare it for further transformation. At this point, technicians inspect flexibility and surface integrity, ensuring the skins meet strict quality thresholds before advancing to the next phase. Drying is performed gradually inside climate-controlled chambers. Airflow, humidity, and temperature are adjusted slowly to avoid stress on the material. This step preserves strength and elasticity while preventing cracking or uneven texture that could affect later processing stages. With drying complete, the skins enter the tanning process. Tanning converts natural skin into durable leather. In modern factories, this is achieved using rotating drums, carefully measured solutions, and continuous sensor monitoring to ensure stability, consistency, and material longevity. During tanning, parameters such as pH and temperature are constantly tracked. This data-driven approach ensures uniform treatment across batches. Once tanning is finished, the skins are rinsed and neutralized, removing residual agents while preserving the leather's natural appearance. The softened leather then moves through mechanical conditioning systems. Controlled motion restores flexibility, making the material suitable for clothing and accessories. This balance between strength and softness is essential for comfort and durability in luxury products. Color treatment follows. Depending on design requirements, the leather may be dyed using specialized formulations. Color absorption is carefully controlled to highlight natural scale patterns rather than hide them. Each skin responds uniquely, requiring skilled oversight. After dyeing, finishing oils are applied to enhance surface feel and visual depth. These treatments protect the leather from dehydration and help maintain its appearance over time. The material now closely resembles the luxury leather seen in high-end fashion collections. Digital design systems are introduced next. Designers upload patterns for jackets, bags, shoes, and wallets. Software aligns each pattern with the skin's natural geometry, optimizing visual symmetry while minimizing material waste during cutting. Laser alignment technology projects cutting paths onto the leather surface. Automated cutting machines follow these guides with extreme precision. This method ensures clean edges and accurate dimensions without damaging surrounding areas of the material. Cut components are labeled and organized for assembly. Smaller remnants are sorted for secondary products or recycling, supporting efficient material use. Nothing moves forward without proper identification and tracking within the production system. Assembly combines skilled craftsmanship with automated stitching. Heavy-duty threads reinforce stress points, while fine stitching preserves elegance. Workers continuously inspect seam alignment and structural balance as products take their final form. Once assembled, items enter finishing lines. Edges are smoothed, hardware is installed, and surface details are refined. Zippers, clasps, and buttons are tested repeatedly to ensure both function and visual harmony. Protective coatings are applied next. These coatings help resist moisture, UV exposure, and everyday wear, while allowing the leather to breathe naturally. The products then cure in controlled rooms, allowing finishes to settle evenly. Final inspection is meticulous. Each item is examined under bright lighting for texture, consistency, stitching accuracy, and overall balance. Only products that meet strict standards move forward to packaging. Packaging is designed to protect shape and surface quality. Soft wraps and structured containers prevent damage during transport. Traceability labels link each product to its production batch, supporting quality assurance throughout the supply chain. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses before distribution. From here, they travel to boutiques and fashion houses worldwide, representing the combined effort of engineering, design, and skilled labor. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses before distribution. From here, they travel to boutiques and fashion houses worldwide, representing the combined effort of engineering, design, and skilled labor. What begins as a natural material becomes a refined product through discipline, engineering, and care. This transformation reflects modern manufacturing values, focused on precision and efficiency. Understanding this process reveals the complexity behind luxury goods. It highlights how automation, data monitoring, and human skill work together inside modern factories. This documentary was created to educate and inform, by tracing the journey from geography to factory. It shows how natural materials are shaped by technology into finished products for the modern world.